Welcome to Spring LIB.
So for timing here, I'm only going to define A to be AX I hat plus AY J hat plus AZ K hat. But B and C are defined in the exact same way. So BC, BY, BZ, BX, BY, BZ, and CX, CY, CZ in the exact same way. Okay, so let's start off with the product. A dot B cross C. I'm going to start off with the vector product. So keep A in vector form. B cross C. So this is BY C Z minus BZ C CY I hat plus BZ CX minus BX CZ J hat plus BX CY minus BY CX K hat. All right, so now we'll do the dot product, and we get AX, because AX is attached to the I component, BY CZ minus BZ CY plus AY times BZ CX minus BX CZ plus AZ times BXCY minus BYCX. And I'll distribute AX BYCZ minus AX BZCY plus AY BZCX minus AY BXCZ AZ BXCY minus AZ BYCX. Okay, so now I can rearrange this thing. Well, basically, I want the C components to be pulled out and factored out of this so that I can write this as a dot product with C. So what this looks like is AY BZ minus AZBY times CX. I'm just finding the components, finding these two with CX, and then pulling the CX out of both of them and writing them in parentheses like this. I'm going to do the same thing for CY and CZ. AZBX minus AXBZ times CY. Finally, AXBY minus AYBX times CZ. And we can see this as the dot product of A cross B and C. All right, so this is the ith component of C. This is the ith component of A cross B. And that's the same for the jth component and the k component. So we can rewrite this as A cross B dot C. Okay, and that is part A. I'm going on a new screen here to do part B. So for part B, A equals, so we're going to split this up to give us the angle of 26 degrees. I can write it as 5 times the cos of 26, I hat plus 5 times the sine 26 j hat and similarly B, I can write as 4 cos 63. Okay, and C they give us as 6. Whoop. 6k hat. All right, so then A cross B will equal what? Oh, that was weird. It wouldn't write for a second. Sorry about that. So A cross B will equal AX BY minus AY BX. And this is going to be in the K hat direction. This equals 12.24 K hat. And then A cross B dot C will equal 12.24 dotted with C, so that's 6 because they're both in the same direction. And that's 73.44.